Just quickly sharing my thoughts on the Provoke Brunette Shampoo and Conditioner set that I picked up from the team. I've been using this for quite a while now, and the way that I use it is, unfortunately, I'm an older lady and I've got the greys coming through, and I just can't be bothered to keep dyeing it every like 4 weeks. So the way that I use this is just to kind of give me more time between colours. Does this completely remove the need for colouring? No, it doesn't, in my opinion, but it does prolong the period between you need to do them. So I think mine's been, gosh, about 8 or 9 weeks, and it's just starting to sort of really pop through and be a bit noticeable now. But this does keep it abated. It's a regular shampoo conditioner, goes on and comes off in the same way. I've had no issues with dryness, oiliness, or anything weird. It does have a slight pigment into it, and hopefully we can pick it up in the camera. But you can see it's got a luminosity. It does give it a good vibrancy. Each bottle lasts me about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So really, on the scale of things, it's pretty good. And yeah, I've had no issues with it. It does help me to need to colour my hair less often because it's getting a bit too much now. So yeah, if you're looking to keep control of, keep the greys away as long as you possibly can before you need to dye, I do recommend these. They do a good job.